Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the metafields in Shopify, how metafields can help us creating the different product or product descriptions or how single product template, how we can use the metafields and integrate the content part, the different contents in a single template. So come to the content and metafields, you can add the metafield there. This is the existing one, which I have added. Okay, if you want, you can add here itself. If pages, you can add filter, whichever you want. You can add the page, file, products, you can take the multi-line text. Okay. Once we add the metaverse, we'll go to the product pages. In the product page, we already added the metaverse, so you can check. It will show here. You can add different type of metaverse like images or related products, those kind of uh, metaverse you can add. And then when you want to add in a theme, I'll just show you. So this is the like this is a rich text column, and here is a paragraph. So since we added the text, the plain text, you can select the metafield here. The created metafields in the backend will display here. You can just select the product description. So even delete this. Okay, check the content will content which we had added there will display here. So in the same way, you can add the related products. You can add the descriptions, any tags if you want to add those kind of metaphors you can add, but in the particular section, those like in the paragraph sections we have the content, right? So then only it will support. If it is supporting to the related product, then only you can get the metaphor. Otherwise, you can't get the metaphor. For example, here in the description, say this is the title, and it is not getting the particular metaphor which they create. Here in the previous one, we have in the previous say in the same section, we are having the product description, but here it will only displaying title and vendor. Okay, that's how it will work. I think you got to know the meta how to clear the metaphor. If you have any doubt, let's create. If you want to add in, if you want to add any images or something like that, let me know in the comments. I'll make another video like clearly like from end to end from all the sections end to end, so we can do that. Yeah, that's about today's video. The Shopify how to create a metaphor. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I'm expecting some comments so that we can discuss more in the comments, or if the video is very useful, then I'll try to make a video based on your doubts. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.